Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to add TXT records in Cloudflare, which is essential for things like email authentication, site verification, and other domain settings. First, log in to your Cloudflare dashboard and select the domain you want to modify. Next, go to the DNS tab to see your existing records. Then click Add Record. For the record type, select TXT. In the name field, enter the subdomain or identifier you need, like for your root domain. In the content field, paste the TXT value provided by your service, such as a verification or email authentication string. Set the TTL to auto. You don't need to change the proxy status since TXT records are DNS only. Finally, click Save. Your new TXT record will now appear in your DNS list. And that's it. Adding TXT records is simple and helps you manage and secure your domain effectively. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful Cloudflare tutorials.